Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have control of the device and an active connection. This avoids accidental lockouts. Once ready, open Settings and tap Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Next, choose the specific Wi-Fi network or mobile network entry you plan to change. Make sure you're selecting the correct network. This is the first actionable step toward removing a DNS server. If you see saved network details, tap to view advanced options so you can edit DNS settings. Now edit the connection. Open Advanced or IP settings and switch from DHCP to static to reveal DNS fields. Some phones show private DNS instead. Remove the DNS1 and DNS2 values or clear any custom DNS hostnames. If your device uses private DNS, set it to off or automatic to stop using a custom provider. Save the configuration, then disconnect and reconnect to the network so the system applies default DNS. This removes the targeted DNS entries. Finish by verifying that DNS changes took effect. Check network details or load a website to confirm resolution works. If pages fail to load, restart the phone to clear cached network state and try again. Make sure no VPN or DNS override apps are active. They can reapply DNS settings. As a last resort, reset network settings to restore defaults. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready. If problems continue, consult carrier or router settings because DNS can be enforced upstream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.